Over the past few years, we've experienced something like a caffeine arms race. Coffee blenders and roasters have been creating brews with astonishing levels of caffeine. However, now it's time to round up all kinds of coffees, from restaurants like Starbucks to ready-to-drink formulations to more traditional blends. The results are somewhat frightening, given that most health authorities recommend no more than 400 mg of caffeine per day, and some of these coffees could be pushing the lethal mark. Number 5. High-voltage coffee. High-voltage coffee is a highly caffeinated coffee from Australia. It is brewed using 50 grams of ground coffee per 12 FL-Oz, 355 ml of water. High-voltage coffee contains 95.83 mg of caffeine per FL-Oz, 324.5 mg per 100 ml. A 354 ml cup has a total of 1,150 mg of caffeine. Number 4. Taft Coffee. Taft Coffee is a highly caffeinated coffee from Turkey. It is made using a blend of 50 different coffee bean varieties to produce a highly caffeinated coffee without a bitter taste. The above listing is derived from using 50 grams of ground coffee in a standard brewing method. Taft Coffee EU contains 98.50 mg of caffeine per FL-Oz, 333.7 mg per 100 ml. A 354 ml cup has a total of 1,182 mg of caffeine. Number 3. Devil's Brew Extreme Caffeine Coffee. Devil's Brew Extreme Caffeine Coffee is made using dark roasted Robusta coffee beans. Because it is Robusta-based, it is extremely high in caffeine. Devil's Brew Extreme Caffeine Coffee contains 110.42 mg of caffeine per FL-Oz, 373.36 mg per 100 ml. A 12 FL-Oz cup has a total of 1,325 mg of caffeine. Number 2. Very Strong Coffee. Very Strong Coffee is a Robusta-based coffee with extremely high caffeine levels. A cup of Very Strong Coffee is made by using 5 tablespoons of ground coffee per 12 fluid ounce, 340 ml cup. However, consumers can make it to their preference. Very Strong Coffee contains 112.50 mg of caffeine per FL-Oz, 380.41 mg per 100 ml. A 12 FL-Oz cup has a total of 1,350 mg of caffeine. Number 1. Black Label Coffee. Black Label Coffee is a highly caffeinated blend of coffee beans. The instructions tell people to use 2 tablespoons of ground coffee per 6 FL-Oz of water, so there would be 5 tablespoons in a brewed coffee made with 12 FL-Oz of water, which is a standard size coffee mug. This coffee is extremely high in caffeine and should only be consumed by those who have a high tolerance and low sensitivity to the caffeine molecule. Black Label brewed coffee contains 129.58 mg of caffeine per FL-Oz, 438.17 mg per 100 ml. A 12 FL-Oz cup has a total of 1,555 mg of caffeine. Do you have what it takes to drink these coffees? Let us know at the comments section. And thanks for watching. Subscribe.